welcome to Suchi Cookies Kitchen. Today we will be cooking the tomato feta pasta and I'm so excited to try it. I've been seeing that's been trending on TikTok and today I'm going to show you how to do that quick and easy. The ingredients are oregano, shell pasta, black pepper, chili flakes, garlic, cherry tomatoes, olive oil. Let's make it. Put some cherry tomatoes in a baking tray. Add salt for taste. Add 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of oregano, 1/2 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 4 cloves of garlic, drizzle some olive oil. Now mix it through. Put a block of feta cheese in the middle. Add some basil, chili flakes, oregano. Put it in the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Now let's make the pasta. Put some salt in a boiling pot of water and add the shell pasta in. Drizzle some olive oil. Let the pasta cook thoroughly. Now drain the pasta out. Looks like our sauce is ready. Start off by breaking the block of feta and mixing it with the tomatoes. Mix it together thoroughly until it turns into a thick, creamy mixture. Now add the pasta in and mix it all together. Now our pasta is ready. Garnish it with some coriander. Now I'm going to taste test this pasta. It's really yummy and cheesy and good. I can't stop eating it. I'm going to be making this all the time because it's so easy. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.